today I'm gonna recreate this look, and if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. And I didn't post in a long time because I had like 2,000 assignments, 200 exams the past week, so I couldn't film. But I'll try to be more regular now. I'm sorry for the construction noise, it's just how it is here. Hey guys, I'll stop rambling and let's just get into the video. Bye. I said bye like I'm never coming back. Anyway, and I'm using Always Red by Elizabeth Arden, and this is just a moisturizer I'm using. So this is like a souffle moisturizer. It feels really nice. And I'm using the Wetnwild Photofocus foundation in the shade Soft Beige, and I'm using the Real Technique Beauty Blender, Miracle Sponge, and I'm just blending the foundation. I was having a really bad skin day, so the foundation wasn't blending too well. Now I'm using the Maybelline Instant Eye Eraser in the shade Neutral, and I'm just highlighting my face. Now I'm using the Wetnwild Contour Duo in the shade Dulce leche. Yeah, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'm just contouring my cheekbones and my nose. And now I'm going to start doing my eyes. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Salted Caramel, and I'm using this transition shade and a buffing brush. And I'm just putting the transition shade on my crease on both of my eyes. Now I'm using the Wetnwild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Red in the Flame, Flame in the Red, and Flame of the Game, and I'm putting it just on my crease and on the ends of my lid. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Neutrals vs. Neutrals palette, and I'm taking this orange shadow, which is this orangish brown shadow. Now I am just blending the red lipstick. And I'm taking another red lipstick, which is the L'Oreal Doesn't Matter shade. Oh, that's the shade, Doesn't Matter. And I'm taking this red lipstick. This red lipstick is more of blue red, and I'm just putting it on the ends of my lid and on my crease. And I'm just blending it with a buffing brush, just like I did with the other red lipstick. Now I am going to, I'm still blending. Now I'm going to take the Instant Eye Eraser again, and I'm going to take a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to cut my crease, which is basically outlining your crease, but I'm not going to go all the way. I'm just going to cut my crease halfway, so it's a half cut crease. Now this takes a while because cut crease takes a while, and I'm gonna set my concealer with this white shade from the Neutrals vs. Neutrals palette, and I'm gonna use the same flat concealer brush. Now I'm taking the buffing brush I used at first, and without taking any more eyeshadow, I'm just going to pat on the excess that was left on the brush and just dab it on the ends of the concealer. Now I'm going to repeat all the steps on the other eye so you can catch up. Now I'm using the Flame in the Game shade from Catsuit, and I am putting it on my crease and on the ends of my lid, and I'm blending it with a buffing brush for a while. Now I'm taking that orange shade from Neutrals vs. Neutrals, and I am blending the crap out of that red lipstick. Now I'm taking the lipstick Doesn't Matter from L'Oreal, which is more of a blue red, and I'm putting it on the ends of my lid and precisely on my crease. I'm gonna blend this with the same buffing brush again. I'm actually taking rest because I'm tired of blending. Now I am taking the concealer again and I'm cutting my crease with the same flat concealer brush, and this takes a while because cutting the crease takes a while, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm cutting half of my crease. And I'm setting my concealer now. Now I am blending the harsh edges of the concealer with the same buffing brush without taking any excess eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this cranberry shade from the Neutrals vs. Neutrals palette, and I'm taking a fat pencil brush and I'm roughly putting that cranberry shade on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this brown shade with a thinner pencil brush and I'm putting that brown shade precisely on my lower lash line and focusing on the edges more. Now I'm taking this eyebrow pencil from LA Girl. I'm just trying it out, and I'm also having a bad brow day, so things didn't go too well. Now I put on my lashes. These are local lashes, and I put on my eyeliner too to hide my lash band. Now I'm taking this blush from Sonia Kashuk. It's called Flushed. It's in the shade Flushed, and I'm putting it on my cheeks with a blush brush. Now I'm taking this highlighter, which is from Essence. It's called Pure Nude. This is more of a natural highlight, so I'm putting it all over my face with a fluffy brush. Not all over my face, actually on the high points of my face. Now I'm taking this Makeup Revolution highlighting palette called Golden Sugar, and I'm taking this pinkish shade and I'm putting that glam highlighter on the high points of my face, my nose, my cheekbones, and my cupid's bow, also my brow bone and my inner corners. Now I'm gonna put on a nude lipstick, which I already put on my nude lipstick, sorry, and I'm just gonna put that Doesn't Matter lipstick from L'Oreal on the middle. So yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna create an ombre look on my lips just like I did on my eyes. So if you guys like this finished look, then please like, share and subscribe, and I'll try to post more regularly, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.